WeVideo offers an easy-to-use classroom management platform that allows teachers to support student projects and have supervision over tasks. Once you have signed into WeVideo and are on the home dashboard screen, you will notice an option in the left-hand menu called Classes. Select this menu option and a classroom dashboard will open. Any classes that you are already attached to or may own will be shown here. To create a new class, look for the blue button in the upper right-hand corner named Add New Class. You'll be able to join a class using a class code or create a class. If creating a class, follow the prompts to input details about your class. Once the class is made, it will appear on your classroom dashboard. Open the classroom. The assignments dashboard will open. This is where you can create and manage assignments for your classes. You will also be able to manage members. To add students, navigate to the People tab under the class name. You will see some varied options. You can add a class from your Google Classroom, share a join code with the students, a join link which can be shared in your desired classroom platform or emailed to students, and a QR code which can be helpful if using a tablet device. As students join, they will appear under the student list where the classroom owner or teacher will be able to manage students. You can also invite co-teachers to the classroom who will also be able to manage assignments. When students are joining the class, if they are using the join link or a QR code, they will receive a prompt from a department page with two options. No, I am new to WeVideo, or yes, I have an account. If no, they will need to select the Sign Up with Google option. If yes, they will need to log in with their @education.newsouthwales.gov.au email address. Once students have signed into their accounts and joined the class, they will see a similar menu on the left-hand side. They will be able to create a blank project using the Create button. They will also be able to find the class they belong to and any assignments attached to that class in the Class tab, which is located in the same left-hand menu. Assignments will open as normal in the multi-track editing interface. Students will be able to access all stock media and editing tools as usual. Instead of exporting the project, they will have an option to turn it in. This will show in the teacher dashboard as a submitted assignment. From a teacher view, when projects have been assigned via the classroom, teachers of those classes will be able to monitor progress from their own dashboard. They can also open specific student projects using the View Progress option and collaborate on projects. You'll notice there is a comment feature in the editing window which can be used to provide feedback to students. When students have submitted their project, there will be an updated option to Review Video. From here, teachers can review the project, download, or even share the project. Teachers can return the project to students with feedback on areas that may need attention or additional editing. Don't forget, there are an array of resources designed to help teachers on the T4L Learning Library. Check them out at t4l.link/STEM.